Hi, this is The King, and you're watching Elite Finance King. Welcome to the Pride. Let's get into it. Wealth builders, are you feeling lost and uncertain about your finances? Trust me, I get it. Navigating money matters can be tough. We all make mistakes, but the key is to learn from them. Don't stress. Feeling overwhelmed by money is completely normal. Yes, completely normal. But guess what? There are some excellent guides available to help us take control of our financial situation and avoid that overwhelmed feeling. So, wealth builders, if you're in search of ways to give your finances a makeover, you're in the right spot. As your king, I'm here to share my top personal finance lessons that I've learned throughout my journey. So, get comfortable, grab a pen, and get ready to absorb these insights. I'm going to reveal how I achieved financial stability amidst the ups and downs. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first lesson. Saving you money over time. So, wealth builders, value-driven shopping means evaluating purchases based on needs, durability, and long-term costs. As a king, my advice is pretty simple. Don't just focus on low prices. Research, compare, and consider the overall benefits and longevity of a product or service. Look beyond the price tag and you'll find that investing in quality can lead you to greater satisfaction and savings in the long run. Before I continue discussing my top personal finance lessons, your humble king has a question for all of you. What is your own personal finance lesson that has greatly helped you? Share it down below. Allow your fellow wealth builders to benefit from your wisdom. Now, let's get back to the video. Alright, wealth builders, let's now discuss my third lesson in personal finance. This one is about overcoming the bad habit of buying unnecessary items. Wealth builders, if you truly want to give your finances a makeover, as your king, I must urge you to break free from the habit of mindlessly buying unnecessary items. I understand we've all been there, right? That impulsive purchase that seemed exciting at the moment but ended up collecting dust in the corner. It's time to pause and reflect before swiping that credit card. Allow me, your king, to encourage you to examine your spending patterns. Differentiate between genuine enhancements to your life and temporary indulgence. Distinguish between needs and wants. Remember, the excitement of a new purchase fades quickly, but the contentment from wise spending and mindful consumption lasts longer. Reflect on this, wealth builders. Instead of splurging on things that won't stand the test of time, redirect your funds towards experiences or items aligned with your long-term goals. Resist the temptation to buy unnecessary items, save money, and make room for what truly holds value in your life. It's a step towards achieving financial freedom and a purposeful, fulfilling lifestyle. Remember, wealth builders, every choice you make today impacts your financial future. Now, for my final personal finance lesson for all of you, it's all about read, learn, and stay curious. Wealth builders, when venturing into the world of personal finance, it's natural to feel intimidated and overwhelmed. As someone who once harbored such fears, your king discovered that one of the most effective ways to overcome them was through a simple yet transformative habit: reading one personal finance book per year. Yes, wealth builders, you've heard me correctly. This practice not only provided me with valuable insights and knowledge, but it also ignited a curiosity within me that continues to fuel my pursuit of financial understanding. Picture this: a quiet corner of your favorite spot, a cozy blanket, and a book that promises to unveil the mysteries of personal finance. Trust me, I've been there, wondering about stocks, investments, and all those adulting money matters that seem to have their own secret language. What's even more exciting is how this simple habit compounds over time. Each year, wealth builders, as you dive into a new book, you're not just gaining knowledge, you're building a toolkit that empowers you to take charge of your finances. Suddenly, those intimidating terms become familiar, and the decisions that once felt overwhelming become opportunities waiting to be seized. So, whether you're a finance newbie or something looking to level up their money game, remember that one book a year is all it takes to turn the tides and set sail on a journey of financial growth, one page at a time, wealth builders. And before anything else, your king has a dedicated video about the personal finance book that will undoubtedly aid you. I will provide the link in the description box for you to explore. So, there you have it, wealth builders, my top 4 personal finance lessons. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow financial dreamers. Your king here appreciates that. Until next time, and always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.